Aaliyah Kiana, she the boss, she be doing her thing. Whipping sauce, natural and she lit. Follow me, she unlocking her dreams. She got the key, got the faith to believe in, no stopping me. Got the faith to believe in, no stopping me. Got the faith to believe in, no stopping me. Ain't no stopping me.
Hey guys, it's Aaliyah Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me doing my first wash and go on my natural hair. I hope all is doing well. I hope you guys are being safe during these crazy times right now. But all you could do is stay prayed up and just be healthy. This is perfect timing to do things that you never tried before. I'm going to use Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. On the label it says that it is supposed to enhance curls with deep definition for thick and curly type 4 hair, which is basically me. I have very thick hair, as you've seen in my other videos. I have type 4 hair, so hopefully this is going to do what it claims to do for natural hair. I hope so, especially with me never trying it before. I'm also going to be using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to be using the Eco Style Gel. This is the olive oil one, and I've used this several times before. I just never used it to like enhance my curls or anything, so this should be interesting. This is almost done, but I got a fresh batch right here. Alright, so I'm going to take this off. I put this shower cap on just so that it can keep my hair wet. And I also have the spray bottle so I can re-wet my hair if I need to. I'm going to start with the back first and work my way up. So let's see. I probably shouldn't have chose like a black background, but I have limited areas to record. I'm going to start with this section right here. Bada bing, bada boom. This is how my hair looks. It looks really, like, it looks defined. I don't want to touch it too much. Alright, so now I'm going to respray this because it got dry. My hair looks big, but it looks defined. It looks defined. Alright, this is how it's looking. My hair feels heavy. Oh my goodness. Feels definitely heavy. Ooh! So as you can see, this is the difference between this side and this side. Get a little closer. I'm done. Ooh, whoa, very voluminous. This side seems a little bit more frizzier than this side. I was manipulating this a little bit more than this side, which we'll see how it looks in the end. Here's the back. My hair feels heavy. Oh my gosh, like it's so much weight to my hair, and I can't wait to see how it's gonna look in the morning. I'm just gonna end up going to sleep with my hair damp. Hopefully it works out for the best, and I'm gonna tie my hair up into a pineapple, and hopefully it's dry in the morning. If not, I'm probably gonna have to diffuse it because I was trying to avoid heat, but I'm probably gonna have to do that. I have a scarf right here that I'm gonna use to tie my hair up into a pineapple. It's a large square scarf. I'm just gonna make it into a two-fold triangle. Take both the ends, connect them like that, and now I got a triangle. Hope you guys can see that. Take the scarf. Am I doing it right? Crap. I think I am. I'm bringing this to the front. Ooh, did I do it? I think I did it. Well, I did it, guys. I'm so happy. I'm very proud of myself. I'm just gonna, this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. I'm just gonna tie in the back. I hope you, can you see that? Oh yeah, okay. I'm tying it in the back. This is how it's looking. Oh my gosh. Stop playing. I'm gonna show you guys how my hair is gonna look in the morning. Hey guys, alright, so it is the next day. I slept with my hair looking like this. It looked kind of crazy, but it's like this because I have so much. It looked like a freaking thumb. But yeah, I put a bonnet over what I did to my hair, so hopefully it still looks decent. Okay, hold up. I'm just gonna shake it out. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. It's not looking too bad at all. Like you can see the curls still, the definition. I'm gonna come up close. I have a lot of texture going on, which is amazing. Oh, it's still damp up in here. In the, like on the side areas, still damp. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I didn't want to use heat, but I'm gonna have to because I'm not trying to wait like several days just for it to dry. So I'm just gonna put this on low. It looks so good. Wow. So, yeah, this is how it's looking. I hope you guys saw the back. This is the back. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me do my first wash and go on my natural hair. please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also hit that bell notification so you can always be notified when I upload a new video. Bye. See this texture? Like, who do you think you are? Bye.